तेरा सपना क्यों पूरा नहीं होता? हिम्मत वालों का इरादा अधूरा नहीं होता। जिस इंसान के कर्म अच्छे होते हैं, उसके जीवन में कभी अंधेरा नहीं होता। ये तूफान भी थम जाएंगे और रास्ते की कांटे भी हट जाएंगे। ए मुसाफिर यूं ना थक कर बैठ तेरे हौसले से। ए मुसाफिर यूं ना थक कर बैठ तेरे हौसले से। ये कायनात के असूल भी बदल जाएंगे। वह बैठा है ऊपर, उसके फैसले भी बदल जाएंगे। वह बैठा है ऊपर, उसके फैसले भी बदल जाएंगे। As I would like to introduce yourself first.
Mhm.
To our viewers, it is Mr. Ankur Sinha. He's a very young and motivated entrepreneur who has been building up his particular company by the name of Redcons. And over to him, he will be telling something about Redcons, and then we will be taking some questions regarding how can we proceed further and how he can motivate young entrepreneurs, those who are coming over in the industry, in the entrepreneurs. So I would like to start with you, sir, that how your company works and what are the cons that we can learn from your company on.
Okay. Yeah. So basically, I'm Ankur Sinha. I'm just 21, 22 years old, which is suitable you can put on.
Yes.
So this is me, and I'm a final year graduation student, yet to graduate. Because due to COVID situation, the exams are still on not happening. So
Okay.
still waiting. So and my company, a startup named is Redcons Technology Private Limited. So we started in 2018 with 2-3 people, me and my friend. One of my close friend, he was a tech geek, Aditya Mehta, my co-founder. So we started up, and we started into something called blockchain. We were much more into cryptocurrencies and all.
Okay.
So we thought, like, which is the domain which can give us an edge, which is our domain, which is there. So we figured out, like, blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrencies.
Okay.
So we thought, like, we will only make this solution. We'll not be like other companies, like, who make every website, software, app. We are not like that. We only build blockchain based solutions specifically,
Okay.
and we provide like a SaaS service. And recently we had into a product named Guhar, which is it's a application, I should say. It's a system, a grievance system, e-governance system, which is bridging the gap between citizens and the people, and it's currently being operated in Chhattisgarh, in Bastar. Basically, the pilot performed well. It's a full-time project in Bastar district,
Okay.
and it's doing good. And that's our thought. Like, we want to take it to further places. We had partnered with state government of Chhattisgarh, and we are recently, like yesterday, we had partnered with state government of Telangana as well. So let's see what it comes up.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
So
very
that's
that's
our
very
thing. Yeah.
enthusiastic to listen, and
Mhm.
I'm very keen to know something more about you. And first
Mhm.
question that I would like to ask, as you have talked about Bastar,
Mhm.
so Bastar
Mhm.
is a very Naxalite area, as we all know. So how tough is the
Mhm.
situation that you work over there, and how tough is the situation that you
Uh,
face over there?
See, there is a bubble going on, Abhishek, which I want to burst out. ठीक है, that Bastar is something very normal to any other city in India. You
Okay.
will have people around roaming till 11. The college students will be roaming. The hostel students before COVID used to roam around 1, 2 at night. So that's a very common thing in Bastar. And
Okay.
yeah, Bastar is not 100% affected by the Naxals and all.
Okay.
It's only 10% of the area of Bastar district is affected by it, and the rest are with Dantewada and Bijapur, and they are also not 100% affected by it. They are also 20 to 30% affected by it. It's slowly depleting. So there is a say which we use to upload our pictures of Chitrakoot waterfalls or Tirathgarh.
And
We
it's a
use
very
a
nice place.
tag name. Yeah, it's the Niagara of Chhattisgarh.
Yes.
So, sorry, Niagara of India, it is said. Like, it's a very big C-shaped waterfall, Chitrakoot Fall. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, and this time it's boon to see it. You will love to see how beautiful it looks. So
Okay.
we say dispelling the myths of Bastar, because there is nothing called a scariness or something to be scared of. You
Okay.
can roam freely. Nothing is there such.
ओके, सो थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं। और मैं आपको अपने व्यूअर्स को कुछ ये भी बताना चाहता हूँ कि आप जैसे कि अभी एमएचआरडी के इंस्टीट्यूशन जो इंस्टीट्यूट है उसमें इनोवेशन काउंसिल के एक्टिव मेंबर भी हैं अभी। तो
Yeah, yeah.
मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे आपका जब आपने ये जर्नी शुरू की थी, तो उसमें कुछ एक आपको challenges आए होंगे, कुछ एक failures रहे होंगे, but at a certain age of 20, just a be, जहाँ पे हम सब लोग ये सोचते हैं कि कैसे अपने कॉलेजेस को आपका जाया जाए, वहां पे कॉलेज में हम क्या करेंगे, वहां आपने एक पूरा पूरा एम्पायर खड़ा कर दिया खुद का. तो हाउ टफ इट वाज एंड हाउ challenges, how many challenges that you faced
यार
regarding
ओके, पहली बात अंपायर खड़ा करना गलत होगा, ये कहना कि अंपायर खड़ा कर दिया,
it?
बिकॉज यार लोगों की तो 4-4 पुश्ते सेटल आउट हो चुकी हैं, हमारी तो हम अभी निपटाना बनाना
बट
शुरू
फिर
कर
भी
रहे हैं, तो इट्स अ
मतलब
वेरी
20
लॉन्ग
साल की
प्रोसेस
एज में
टू से
आपने
दैट.
इतना कुछ किया है, तो ये बहुत ही बड़ी सिचुएशन हो जाती है.
नहीं
मैं
नहीं,
तो
तो
बहुत कम सोच सकता हूँ इस लेवल तक.
बिकॉज वी नीड ना, हमें we need to leave a legacy out on some technical part.
Yes.
I personally feel to leave a legacy on a technology part. मुझे एक legacy leave करनी है कि you see, I felt very common thing कि बस्तर में technology is there. हमारा पूरा campus like छत्तीसगढ़ में we are owning our biggest campus after NIT Raipur.
Okay.
So छत्तीसगढ़ में we had like a 68 acres campus. सुनने में बहुत छोटा लग रहा है, but on land it's very big.
Yeah.
Because वो 68 acres constitute a lot of area, highways and all. So we have a lot of space out there. So college में Wi-Fi campus था हमारा,
Okay.
air Wi-Fi, like every place has a Wi-Fi. So it started with some bad habits, like professors से झगड़े की वजह से startup idea. I was very much into technology part.
Okay.
But some professor told me like तू क्या ही करेगा जिंदगी में and all. I'm like यार तू छोड़, तेरे ही सब्जेक्ट में करके दिखाता हूँ मैं.
हाँ.
The thing is like I'm a mining engineering student.
Okay.
Being an IT professional, I'm a mining engineering student.
Oh.
So mining engineering student has a very drawback in India, that you don't get enough books, enough notes, enough professors to teach you mining.
Okay.
Because mining is a very vast and very deep field. In reality, it's a very deep field. You dig in, and a lot of engineers are inside the mines, so they don't care to teach anyone, because working in mines provide much more salary and much more life settlement than teaching it one.
Okay.
So there are a lot of issues in having teachers. So one of my senior who became my professor after in second year, he did some events took place very heftily, and he told me like kya hi karega tu and all. So I was a tech geek. I love technology and I used to code and all. So he told me कि क्या करेगा तू, and it was very bad, like पूरे department के सामने you were labeled as something. I'm like I will do something.
तो वो बात
So
दिल पे लग गई आपको.
what is the, दिल पे लग गई थी, बट मैंने उसको मोटिवेशन नहीं बनाया, बिकॉज ही इज
Okay.
नॉट द पर्सन टू बी मोटिवेटेड ऑफ.
Okay.
some people don't deserve to get motivation. वो आपके लाइफ में उस लायक नहीं होते कि आप उनको
Yeah.
मोटिवेशन भी बना पाओ.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो मैंने उसको वहीं पे छोड़ दिया, बट मेरा ध्यान हट गया माइनिंग से
हम्म.
उस वजह से. सो आई स्टडीड लाइक आईटी में मेरा काफी इंटरेस्ट था. तो आई फिगर्ड आउट लाइक उस समय एसएमएस बॉम्बिंग नया नया आया था.
Okay.
So जो उस बॉम्बर का गाय था, लाइक द पर्सन हु स्टार्टेड एसएमएस बॉम्बिंग इन टेक वर्ल्ड, ठीक है, जिसने एपीआई एसएमएस बॉम्बिंग के एपीआई हैक करने शुरू किया और उनको एक जगह पे पैच करके एसएमएस बॉम्ब करना शुरू किया, वाज अ नेम गाय उदित करोड़े.
Okay.
I contacted him कि boss, I want to work and to be a, he's a very good developer, he's a team colleague of mine. So he was in school that time. So we contacted over and I got him on board. He used to code for me. Slowly, we got more people on board. So we started AI Classroom, and it was a notes providing solution for mining and all the engineering students in the area. So it started like that. It ran around 7 to 8 months. We made a profit of 1.2 lakh rupees out of our basic investment was out 68 rupees just for a domain. We
Okay.
didn't, we had not invested much because we guys were not having money. So 1.5 lakh rupees equally divided. Everyone was happy. 5-member team. And later we didn't come up more, like we didn't we started moving on towards blockchain. Like
Okay.
I was very much interested towards it, and then Chhattisgarh blockchain hackathon happened. I participated in it. uh, we were runner up, not the winners.
Okay.
uh, Things are like that. You don't win easily because there are market players who win, and we were a newbie, and we tried and we were runner up. Then we started like making blockchain based solutions. We got a client in Israel, we were there in Vishakhapatnam for Vishakhapatnam FinTech Festival was there,
Okay.
organized by Andhra government, and we were there. Chandrababu Naidu came, the CM of that time, Andhra Pradesh,
Mhm.
and he met everyone, and he was very gladly. He met all the startups. There were 20, 30 startups who were in the uh, uh, displaying their product, and he made us meet the Israeli counterpart. So one of the our string struck with one of the Israeli clients,
Okay.
and we figured out the way how we can take forward.
Okay.
And we were we partnered with them, and soon there was a Chhattisgarh delegation to Israel.
Okay.
So I just joined them over. I asked them I am dealing with this, and they got to know that I am dealing with some Israeli clients and all. So the government officials asked me, like they asked me to join in with their delegation
Hmm.
of the startups who will visit the Israel. So like we were, I was one of the few 8 to 9 startups who went to Israel from Chhattisgarh to look at the Israeli ecosystem.
Mhm.
So it was December 18. After coming back from Israel, a lot of things to be learned and to be executed. So Redcons was there. Like Redcons formed after that hackathon,
Okay.
and Redcons was there. Redcons formed, and Redcons was officially registered. Before that, AI Classroom was a partnership thing,
Okay.
but this became a pure company, and we started working as a company. We started looking for clients.
Okay.
Soon we got clients in Hong Kong, Shanghai, a lot of other places, because blockchain was a thing which was a first world thing, you can say. Like it
Hmm.
was running in a very first world thing, and being in a developing country in a third tier city or a second tier city, Raipur, Jagdalpur, is a tough task to move on. But we tried, and we gathered the team, we gathered the resources, we are delivering things. And yeah, lockdown was a pretty good for us, because what we should say, uh, lockdown, we provide emergency services. Guhar is one of the our emergency services. You can check out guhar.in for the app, and other such things which we make on blockchain
Mhm.
is counted as emergency services in Israel as well. So we were we buffered money during lockdown. So
Okay.
we were the company which had a job, and we didn't laid off any of our people out of the team, which is of
That's very good to hear,
nine.
because
We didn't
most
laid
of the
off
thing,
anyone.
like in this time and in this situation,
Mhm.
many jobs, people are lacking many of like jobs, and you are
Mhm.
supporting your particular peoples to.
And no salary cuts.
हाँ,
No salary cuts were
बिल्कुल
also
भाई।
there. We
तो कुछ
didn't
लाइनें मुझे
half
याद आ
the
गई यहाँ
salaries
से
and all.
आपके लिए, मैं कुछ लाइनें बताना
Mhm.
चाहता हूँ कि वो एक
Mhm.
कहावत थी जो छोटी सी लाइनों में मैं बयां कर देता हूँ: देर लगेगी मगर सही होगा, तुम्हें जो चाहिए वही
Yeah.
होगा। दुनिया बुरी है
Right. Right.
या दुनिया बुरी हो सकती है, जिंदगी नहीं, सब्र
Mhm.
रखो, सब होगा।
अरे वो Zakir Khan used to say na. There is a saying of Zakir Khan, like yes, it's my story. I guess I made it. भूख देखी है तिरस्कार करती आंखें, कदमों से चल चल कर रास्तों के नाम बदलते देखा है,
जी।
अपनों को टूटते अपने टूटते हुए बदलते देखा है, देखी है ना उम्मीदें अपमान देखा है, ना चाहते हुए भी माँ बाप का झुकता हुआ आत्मसम्मान देखा है, सपनों को टूटते देखा है, अपनों को छूटते देखा है, हालात की बंजर जमीन फाड़ के निकला हूँ,
वाह,
बेफिक्र रहिए, मैं शोहरत की धूप में नहीं जलूंगा, आप बस साथ बनाए रखिए, अभी तो मैं लंबा चलूंगा.
क्या
That's what
बात
I
है।
believe on.
बहुत सही, बहुत सही।
So
क्या लाइनें हैं।
because
तो
we need to go on.
यस।
See, this is not a journey of a I started early because I knew, I figured it out. Like I love to read books. Yeah, I'm
यस।
very much a bookworm. If
या।
I usually carry 2 3 books with me. I love to travel a lot.
ओके।
I love traveling. Before this COVID, I used to travel every week to some place, like a
माशाल्लाह,
nearby city or a far
माशाल्लाह।
away city. So I love to travel. one bag is always ready for a traveling bag. So
That
and
sounds good because even I'm fond of very traveling, and I also
mhm.
travel a lot. So this is something which give us new exposures while we travel.
Yeah,
Yes.
traveling actually gives us a lot of exposure, and personally speaking, Abhishek, it gives a lot of pleasure to me. Like I love traveling, I love being around to new places, I love to explore. So
Okay.
I usually keeps a lot of a lot of books I read. So in lockdown, like I had read around 20 to 25 books.
My God,
And
that's
personally speaking, no, actually, book reading is a very good thing.
yes,
People should look at.
it
I
is.
personally recommend read as much as book you want to. Don't read love story and fiction. It won't teach you much. uh, that's a truth you need to learn. Okay,
Okay.
you can read a lot of people had written like if you are a technology person, read about Satya by a book. I don't remember the book name. It's by Shiv Nadar, the latest technology.
Okay.
People should be knowing that Shiv Nadar is one of the person who's behind Aadhaar and all the stuff.
Okay.
So UPI, how UPI formed, a lot of things are there to be
Yes.
learned of. So I read
तो
a lot.
ठीक है,
Uh,
तो मैं आगे
Curiosity
बढ़ता
is
हूँ इसी को लेके, और
हम्म,
कुछ और क्वेश्चंस पे आज आपको मौका मिला है मुझे, तो मैं आपको छोड़ूंगा नहीं इतनी जल्दी, कुछ और क्वेश्चंस मैं
नहीं
लेना
नहीं बिल्कुल
चाहूंगा।
बिल्कुल
तो
हम्म,
एक बहुत ही छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है पर बहुत बड़ी बात बोल देता है। हाउ मेनी आवर्स अ
हम्म.
डे यू वर्क ऑन एन एवरेज वे फॉर बीइंग अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन?
Oh, that's see, personally speaking, I love technology. I love coding. I love doing things up on my laptop. So personally, I should say I don't work.
ओके।
I just enjoy being with my technology. I feel comfortable with it.
ओके।
So it's not counted. Like some days I work like I start work at 11 in the morning and go till 3 at night with like 4 and 5 breaks of 1 and 2 hours. So it's like it can be you work or 80 hours or 70 hours a week
ओके।
if you want to develop. See, we are a small team, we don't have a much around people, we are 8 member of team. So we need to work very hard to deliver things on time because we make things which are very complicated, blockchain being technology which is very complicated. And as our clients say, they want things to be updated because we have some non-technical clients as well, and they are very hefty. Like they want delivery on 2 days 3 days after the demand. So we need to work like hell. And my team, I should say, they are very passionate, and they work like me as well. So I should say I'm blessed with very rightful people
ओके।
who matches my who outsmart my work time. They are like they work more than me.
ओके।
So I have such people with me.
तो
So
आई वुड लाइक टू
there
से,
is nothing called fixed, like
I would
70
like
to
to say that this
76
is
hours
a good
week.
quality of a leader, that he motivates his team to along with him and
Yeah,
he worked as
they
a leader.
believe me.
Yeah.
They believe me, and it's you who put their belief into you.
Okay.
So I have been fortunate enough that my team believes me, and I'm blessed to have such people with me who
That's
who believe me and who keep me uplifted. Yeah.
that's very good. So another round of
Mhm.
question that I would like to ask. What
Mhm.
motivates you to work so high and so hard?
Oh, I told you, na. Like I told you I was last time. The last answer was incomplete. Like when you read a lot of things, na,
Mhm.
you learn a lot of things. I figured out कि it's better to start early. There is no time to start. There is no good time to start. Like अब एक story है. Like आप plan का एक हाँ, एक दादी अम्मा से पूछा बच्चे ने,
हाँ,
ठीक है, कि अगर आप व्हाट इज द बेस्ट टाइम द ग्रैंड सन वाज got married, and he asked the grandmother like what's the best time to have a baby.
okay.
She told it like we were planning for 10 years. In the 10 years we planned about how we should have baby, but
Hmm.
in the planning years of 10 we had around 7 babies.
Oh.
So there is no perfect time to start on. There
Okay.
is nothing called a planning can make you to start. It's
Okay.
you start up, and there is a very valid reason you want to start up. So I figured it out, like it's good if you start early, because you get to experience a lot of stuff,
Yes.
and during that experience you learn a lot.
Okay.
So I'm still learning, I'm still growing. It's a 40 to 50 years of journey ahead. I don't know how I will accomplish.
You will.
I
You
don't
will.
know how I will reach that. So there is a inflow of inspiration which flows within you, that you want to do something, and why you started. You keep asking, you keep hustling, and you get there someday.
Okay.
So I'm on my hustling phase.
Very good. Very good.
I'm
That's nice
hustling
to
over.
hear. Yeah.
Yeah.
And see, this is very inspiring as most of us are in a early phase. और जब हम इस टाइम पे
Hmm.
होते हैं तो हमें काफी काम करने को मिलता है और हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, तो वो मैं मुझे भी बहुत कुछ आपसे अभी सीखने को मिल रहा है, मैं देख रहा हूँ जैसे जैसे आपसे
Hmm.
इंटरेक्शन होता जा रहा है। पर फिर मैं कुछ एक
Hmm.
और पर्सनल क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि बीइंग एन
Hmm.
एंटरप्रेन्योर आपकी फैमिली
Hmm.
लाइफ को वो कैसे आपका इफेक्ट कर जाता है, क्या ऐसा है?
See, I should say ये lockdown is a blessing कि I stayed with home like for 4 months. Before that घर मेरा आना लगभग 6 6 महीने 7 7 महीने में एक बार होता है.
ओके.
So my place is like a very native place known as Ambikapur, the place where I live, where my home is there. My dad works here.
ओके.
Ambikapur in Chhattisgarh is the northern Chhattisgarh area.
ओके.
So I live here. So it's I should say family supports a lot. Yeah, they understands you.
That's good.
I have been very much supportive by my family.
That's
Yeah,
nice
they
to hear.
support me a lot,
That's nice to
and
hear.
they look like, if you think you can make it, try it. Give a heads up. Try it. If things work for you, that's good. I know they trust me on this part कि कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लेगा लड़का.
Yes.
So
ये
they do
ये
that.
this is a
शुरू में
trust.
थोड़ा सा डाउट था कि लाइक डिग्री छोड़कर डिग्री के साथ साथ कैसे करेगा, पहले डिग्री कर लेनी चाहिए. A lot of people said me this कि पहले डिग्री कर लो फिर
हाँ.
आगे कर लेना. I'm like मेरे को अभी करना है, बाद का पता नहीं, क्या पता डिग्री करने के बाद मन हो ना हो. मैं अभी शुरू कर देता हूँ,
बिल्कुल.
देखेंगे,
बिल्कुल.
देखी जाएगी वाला था. So I was it didn't happen in a planning, but slowly and steadily parents got to know, and फिर they listen about you on newspapers,
Yes.
by word of mouth, like people say your work is being talked about. So somehow they appreciate
Good.
that,
That's
so they are supportive.
okay.